We got Minari World Tour free TWlog. I want to know. I want to see. This is a kind of short compared to the other ones, bro. We got 16 minutes here. But I need to talk with Mina, bro, because she be wilding sometimes. You feel me? She be coming for me a little crazy sometimes. For all of us, you know, her along with Sana, bro. We need answers, but we here. Let's get straight to it, bro. I know, you know. Sharon, you right. My face looking thick, bro. I'm getting fat, bro. I'm getting fat, bro. For me, I need to get in my bag, my exercise bag. How you doing?
민아 씨 가방 한번 언박싱 해볼까요? 네. 한번 가보도록 할게요.
그럼 선글라스 끼겠습니다. 네, 이제 선글라스.
오.
새로 샀습니다, 이거는.
I see you, I see you, okay.
자주 계속 쓰고 새로 샀습니다, 이거.
Mina just oozes like stardom, bro. Indeed. Ordering and ordering, bro. Like, just look at her, bro. Like, you just know. Stylish, expensive Tita. Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
새로 샀습니다, 이거는.
Things of that nature, bro.
자주 계속 쓰고 있는 이거.
굿즈네.
포스트 아레나 좋아요.
그거를 계속 이렇게 깨끗하게 심지어 쓰고 있어?
BD 세트.
우와.
She takes care of her stuff. Shout out to Mina, bro.
와이파이요?
네, 저 호텔 방에 와이파이가 안 돼가지고요.
이어폰. 이거 뭐예요?
이어폰이요. 블루투스 이어폰.
저 새로
Essential.
처음 봐요.
아, 그래요? 한 2년 전도 쓰고 있습니다.
죄송해요.
That laugh, bro.
손소독제.
손소독제.
안 돼. 에어컨 상태가 안 된다. 안 됩니다.
그럼 미나 씨 쓰고 계신 거예요?
네. 그럼 미나 유심사도 받을게요. 안 됩니다. 저희 지금 공항에 있어요.
Okay.
네, 공연 끝나고 이제 샌프란시스코로 넘어갑니다. 찍어가지고. 근데 그 안에 예. 뒤에 사람 너무 많아가지고 제가 이렇게 크게 나올 수밖에 없어요.
I feel like me and Mina would get along, bro. You know, I feel like I would get along with her well compared to other members. You feel me? Gio's still wifey. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it misconstrued. Don't try to, you know, like twist my words and say like, oh, season 3. It ain't no season 3. I'm just saying I feel like I would get along with her, bro. You know, she a gamer. She does this. Things of that nature, you know. She's chill. Bestie vibes, indeed.
제가 이렇게 크게 나올 수밖에 없어요. 촬영 중. 들켰어요.
I feel like Mama always has attitude, bro.
게 있어요. 어느 도시든 상관은 없는데 오렌지 치킨 너무 먹고 싶어서 가면은 시키려고 합니다.
Go get you some orange chicken.
못 마르고요.
Go get you some drink too, a little bev.
See you soon.
Because you know when you in New York, you gotta say bev, right?
See you at Oakland.
Get you bacon, egg, and cheese and that.
짠.
Angel. Like she's literally glowing, bro.
샌프란시스코 도착했어요. 오늘 진짜 날씨 좋아요.
Hold on, y'all see
도착했어.
the spatial awareness in the hand? You feel me? Because like the width in which each finger is spread apart from each finger means something, bro. Like you need to understand each little bit of air is functional. You know, she's allowing just enough radiance, enough glow from the back shots to emphasize the angelic nature in which is she and things of that nature, which is why her hand is perfectly spread like this. You feel me? A little fun fact for y'all. This is why you're here at Limp University, because you don't get this education anywhere else, bro. Some of y'all would have watched this, seen the hand spread and thought, you know, it's just a regular wave. Ain't nothing regular about this one. You feel me?
맞아요. 오늘 진짜 날씨 좋아요. 대박이죠. 구름 하나 없는.
That looks beautiful, bro.
나가고 싶어. 너무 좋아요.
You see, she's just a good vibe, good energy, bro.
네, 여기에 냉장고 안에 이런 게 있어요. 너무 맛있을 것 같지 않아요?
Chobani.
이제 곧
It's time to get me some Chobani yogurt, bro.
제가 미국 가면 팬더 익스프레스 먹어야지 했었는데 시켜주셨더라고요. 그래서 그거를 기다려 보도록 하겠습니다.
기다려.
짠, 밥이 왔어요. 뭘까요?
Again, you see the spatial awareness with each finger, bro. The way she's gripping that lid, like she could have just opened it like fingertip. Like I'd be opening it like this. You feel me? She's like, could she be gripping us with the way, you know, with her antics as Sharon, bro? Maybe this is like her hand is Sharon, kind of aggressive with it, but then Mina's trying to handle Sharon, as some of y'all are saying.
오렌지 치킨.
Go crazy.
너무 오랜만에 먹어요. 제가 마지막에 하와이 갔을 때 먹었으니까 너무 먹고 싶었어요. 그럼 잘 먹겠습니다. 리허설 갑니다.
I low-key wanted to see her eat, bro. I'm trying to know if the food busts like that, because it looked good, but like, do it taste good?
리허설 갑니다.
Look at that energy, bro. Look at these two. Allow her, bro. Gracious. Give us some privacy.
전 진저일 좋아하는데
That was kind of cute though, bro. The little tantrum. It's okay to get you some pizza, you know?
짠.
귀여워.
전 진저일 좋아하는데 한국에는 많이 없죠. 근데 맛있는데? 아니야, 달아. 응. 네, 저희는 리허설 끝났고 이제
She's so chill, bro.
리허설을 기다리겠습니다.
She got a kind of a cute walk as well, bro. Just look at the little footsteps. It kind of feels like her knees are buckling, but we know she got strong ass knees. Cause y'all see Minari, you feel me? I don't know if y'all noticed, she's up on my shelf over there. Over there, right there, you feel me? With them strong ass knees, but like the way she walking,
기다리겠습니다.
it's like a little shake to the knees, right?
Yeah, you don't have to get over a rail.
Go ahead.
브이로그 아니야 이거?
Oh, bro, that reminded me of Step Up. You see, this is why Gio is wifey, bro, because she be reminding me of like things in my childhood that I grew up loving. You know, there's Step Up 3. You know, the opposition, like the Ups. I think they'll call the Pirates. In the final battle, the final dance scene, the dude that was the Up comes in kind of like that, but he's like bouncing with that kind of energy, and he's and the way Gio came in,
Yeah, you don't have to get over a
with the
rail.
same kind of energy, you know, she just, I don't know how she does it. It's just like it's meant to be. You feel me? That's why I'm saying the stars align, bro. You feel me? It's fate at this point. Ain't no season 3. It's season Gio, season us, season KELVII, and things of that nature. You feel me? So like, I ain't trying to hear nothing else no more.
Yeah, you don't have to get over a rail.
You know the vibes.
브이로그 아니야 이거?
맞아.
You know the vibes.
짠. 그럼 저희는 준비하겠습니다. 자, 공연 끝나고 이제 호텔로 왔습니다. 짜잔.
Them vocals, bro.
So close.
Yeah, Minari's no longer in a capsule. She's on the shelf. She really getting in there, bro. Shout out Minari. You feel me? This is how to wash your hands for real, bro. For y'all that don't know, get to know. You gotta really get in there. Get in the crooks and crevices and that.
갔다 와서 먼저 해야 될 거.
Is she like? Bro, Mina's such a vibe. But why is she spreading out her legs like that?
갔다 와서 먼저 해야 될 거. 그거는 바로 화장 지우개입니다. 이게 시간 끌수록
예뻐요.
힘들어서 못 하겠거든요. 그래서 빨리 씻어야 돼요. 일단
Oozing elegance, indeed. That's what I'm trying to find out. Is she still chill when she plays Apex? Let's run a little duos. Do Apex still do duos?
원수분들이 조금 놀릴 수도 있으니까. 조금 놀릴 수도 있으니까. 뿅 하겠습니다.
Say less. Take your time. What you mean, let's? You go wash. Because my fault. Bro, she makes these little sound effects that are the cutest things in the world, bro. Like the eh? Eh?
여러분,
That
지금
deepness.
알았어요. 케찹이 없어요.
See, this is what I be eating on a consistent. This is why I'm getting fat, low key, bro. I noticed. You know, I was hopping in the shower the other day and I was like, bro, I'm getting fat.
큰일인데?
I need to stop eating like this.
하지만
I need to start actually
LA
making
에서
time to cook.
케첩을 하나 챙겼어요. 이것도 다음 도시에 있으면은 많이 챙겨볼게요. 조금 치즈가 식어버렸다. 그래도
Rip.
맛있게 먹겠습니다. 그래, 먹는 게 어디야.
I can't eat cold fries.
와우, cheers.
Wow. Them gulps.
너무 맛있어.
Just good vibes, bro.
무슨 소리지?
Nah, for real, what is that?
무슨 소리지?
She's so cute, bro. Nah, hey, Benari, what's up? What's up? You feel me? I know I said ain't no season 3, but like if you keep making noises like this, I don't mean anything by that. You feel me? I'm gonna take that back, bro. It's still season Geo. Okay, let's not. But like, bro, how? Where? You could low-key make a beat out of this. Like, think about it, bro. You feel me? Things of that nature.
알 것 같은, 모를 것 같은. 아우. 또 제가
I know TG gonna be down tremendous watching this, bro. You feel me?
아우.
Someone check on that man.
또 제가 미주 투어는 처음인데 옛날에 그거를 봤어요. 사나랑 지효가 밖에 걸어다니면서 미나가 되게 좋아할 것 같다. 미나도 같이 왔으면 좋겠다. 이렇게 얘기하는 걸 봤었어요.
You here now, miss?
아쉽게도 그러지 못했지만
Feels.
우리가 같이 투어 올 수 있어서 좋은 것 같아요. 이번에는
No, we getting soft, bro.
1.4. 내일은
I'm trying to be soft
공연이
right now. I'm
없기
trying
때문에 네, 이렇게 여유롭게 맛있는 것도 먹고 카메라 두고 혼자
to
얘기를
a
하고
whole Mina
있습니다.
soundboard, low key. Look at the lips.
얘기를 하고 있습니다. 원스분들은 저의 공연 보고 나서
I wouldn't know. Y'all haven't came to Australia yet. Maybe come to Australia and I could tell you. You feel me? But like, they stay rubbing it in, bro. You feel me?
뭐 해요? 원스분들도 맛있는
I
거
wouldn't
먹겠죠?
know, miss. Them some aggressive ass gulps, bro.
Cheers. 행복한 순간이야.
Yeah.
안녕하세요. 오늘은 저희
She's so beautiful, bro.
넘어가는
Look at the skin. Like, she literally stay glowing. I feel like they all literally just be glowing, bro. How y'all glow like this?
오늘은 저희 이제 달라스로 넘어가는 날이고요. 달라스 몇 년 만이야. 저희 또 이렇게 이동할 때마다 짐을 싸야 되니까.
Golly Wally.
뭐 이렇게 짐이 많지? 진짜 이제 안 들어가요. 아무것도 안 샀는데 왜 이렇게
Gracious.
짐 싸기가 힘들지?
Maybe it's time I give her my baggage, you know? I don't know why I said that. I don't know what I mean by that. Because, like, baggage, but, like... Because, you know, you share your baggage with you know, the special people in your life. And things of that nature, you know? I don't know. I swear I'm loyal.
이제 오늘 샌프란시스코를 떠나는데 또 언제 올 수 있을까?
The stairs, dangerous.
오고 싶네요.
The power on the screen right now, bro.
달라스 가면은 여기 샌프란시스코보다 2시간 빠르더라고요.
The way she stares,
뭐 조금
bro.
아깝더라고요. 2시간 갑자기 사라져 버리니까
What's good, BTG?
조금 아쉽다. 또 오늘도 저희는 이렇게
Got them science goggles on, bro. Them Formula of Love goggles.
이제 앞으로는 이것도 하나의 패션으로.
Stylish, I see you.
그럼
Bro, her little giggles, the little sound effects she be making, bro. Mina got very expressive lips. Talk about it. Indeed, indeed.
저희는 이제 비행기 타러 갈 이제 공항에 갈 준비를 하도록 하겠습니다. 안녕.
Annyeong. Again, you see the spread of the fingers, bro? Who's doing it like that?
달라스 호텔에 도착했습니다. 아까 비행기 타고 오는데 밖에 보니까 노을이 진짜 이뻤어요. 그래서 저희 노래 선셋이라는 노래가 되게 생각이 났죠? 아쉽게도 이번에는 선셋이 없습니다. 여러분, 또 음식 얘기입니다. 여기는 제가요 텍사스 올 때마다 가족들이랑 갔었던
Mina's a very cute, awkward, bro.
집인데요.
You know how some people, like, it's awkward being around some people, but there's an attractiveness to the awkwardness, if that makes sense. You know, like, they're awkwardly attractive. I don't know. I can't explain it, bro, but, like, it's just that feeling. Like, she just look at her, bro.
여러분.
The way she just staring like this will be an awkward situation, but she's just cute doing it, bro.
음식 얘기입니다. 여기는 제가요
Feels.
텍사스 올 때마다 가족들이랑 갔었던 바베큐 집인데요. 진짜 몇 년 만에 먹어요. 얼마나 그리웠는지. 브리스켓이랑
Rudy's.
크림콘.
I feel like there's so many different restaurants in America, bro. Like y'all have 10,000 different fast food stores or franchises, I guess.
Hi.
Hey,
I'm home.
welcome home.
아틀란타 공연이 끝나서 이제 호텔로 왔습니다. 오늘은 처음으로 머리를 묶어서 공연을 했어요. 어땠나요?
Was that the jacket? Damn.
진짜 힘들게 왔는데 진짜 원수분들이 엄청 응원을 해주셔가지고 진짜 그렇게 고생하면서 온 보람이 있었어요. 너무너무 고맙다고 전하고 싶어요. 진짜 여기 온 지 얼마 안 됐는데 또 내일 이동을 해야 합니다. 또 짐을 싸고 저는 빨리 화장도 지우고 짐도 싸고 또 오늘의 디너 햄버거를 먹고 네, 푹 자도록 하겠습니다.
As you should. Go ahead, Queen.
안녕. 뉴욕에서 봐요.
In New York.
투어도
Bro, she went to New York. She didn't get a bacon, egg, and cheese. You feel me?
이번 투어도 내일 하루 남았어요.
Fifi should have been there to educate her.
아무튼 또 내일은 피날레 마지막입니다. 저 미션을 안 했어요. 미션이
You haven't done it yet? Oh, that's easy. She's
너무
hilarious.
안 어울리지 않아요, 나랑?
What you mean?
그러니까 미션이겠죠?
Mina's one of those silent comedians, bro.
벌칙이 있다던데. 카메라 들고 가서 그냥 하하하하.
That's enough. That's literally enough.
같이 웃어줄까? 내일 하루 남았는데.
Look at them eyes, bro. Bro, like, imagine Mina. Let's say, imagine Sharon does what Sharon be doing,
남았는데.
and then you tell her to stop because like it's hurting our soul, and then she hits you with that little pout right there, bro. Like, I'm begging. Miss, you're hurting me though.
내일 하루 남았는데.
You're hurting me, bro. You feel me? Can you stop? Never mind, my fault. You feel me? Go ahead, hurt me. Ugh. Do what you gotta do, miss. You feel me? How do you say no to this?
Good morning. 바로 오늘 한국에 돌아갑니다.
They should have been evil and had Mina's mission to make Gio laugh and Gio's mission to not laugh. Gracious.
바로 오늘 한국에 돌아갑니다. 이제 저희는 여기를 떠납니다. 빠르다.
She's insanely beautiful, bro.
진짜 많은 분들이
All natural like this.
고생을 해주셨어요. 덕분에 모든 공연을 할 수 있었고 또 무사히 끝낼 수 있었던 것 같아요. 정말 감사합니다. 또 다시 여기 미국에 올 수 있길 바랍니다. 그때는
I hope y'all pull up to Australia.
좀 더 돌아다니고 미국도 좀 느끼면서
Always look so expensive,
할 수 있는
facts.
날이 왔으면 좋겠어요. 그러면은 저희는 이제 공항에 가서 이제
Easily.
탈게요. 미션은 다 같이
Success.
만나고
But did you film it? I'm sure she did it, bro.
또 봐요. 다 같이 화이팅!
어떻게 하지? 나 미션 해야 되는데.
다 같이 화이팅!
어떻게 하지? 나 미션 해야 되는데.
벌칙이 있다던데.
Nah, Gio's face, bro. Nah, this is a pain of, this is hurt right here, bro. You feel me? This is straight pain. There, you got this. You feel me? I'm sure she's.
벌칙이 있다던데.
She tired of me after that pause. That ain't it. That ain't it, bro. Let's not do that. Bro, that's the cutest thing ever, bro. Y'all seen that MasterChef edit on Twitter, bro? Nah, we got the joint episode next week. I'm looking forward to it. I'm sure. I think Gio failed her mission, bro. You know? It's because I'm not in her life. You feel me? Slide in my DMs, Gio. You would have easily, bro. No cap, golly.
Don't know what he did when he was with you, but when I'm with you,